Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix MacBook time and date. So if it's not correctly when you set it to automatic, for example, then I'm going to show you a few ways how you can fix this. So the first way would be to go ahead to your system settings. On system settings, you want to go ahead and find date and time, and where it says set time and date automatically, you want to go ahead and turn it off. After that, you want to go ahead and open up terminal, and now you will need to enter one command, which I'm gonna leave in the description for you to copy. So you're gonna enter this sudo right there, enter it and press enter. Now you will need to enter your password. Your MacBook will reboot. Now, after rebooting, then open up system settings again, go to date and time and press set time and date automatically. And again, you will need to enter your password or use Touch ID, and your problem should be fixed. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.